Assalamu alaikum. Peace and blessings be upon you all. How are you guys? Welcome back. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how fast or the easiest way to make a website without even think about the content or thinking about the website structure or anything as such. Anything if you're into online, if you're into affiliate marketing, if you're into trying to make money online, the most important thing is you need to have a website. Of course, there are ways to make even money without website. I know that's true, but as a basic strategy, it's always good to have a website, because it's always good to link to your website and promote a product is better than trying to directly promote any affiliate offer. So for many reasons, having a website is so much important. And in this video, I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest, the quickest way to make website. There are lots of ways to make a website, but if you're a beginner, if you're a newbie who really wanted to kickstart the affiliate journey or online selling something, this is like a way to start your website. It's through this method. Okay, let me show you that. Okay, so if this is your first time watching, make sure you subscribe. This is my channel here. I'm all about make money online, and even today what I'm going to show you is one of the ways to make money is through creating websites. Okay, so that website also, of course, there are easy and free ways to make money and free ways to create a website, but this is a paid method. But still, what I want to try to show you is how fast you can make use of that technology nowadays, how easily they made to create a website. Okay, there are pros and cons, everything is there, but still, let's jump onto it and show you how to make this quickest and fastest way to make websites. Okay, so see this one, I'm just going to show you. This is you can go and check it out, affiliatemarketingllc.com. This is one of my old domains. Of course, you need to have a domain, you need to have a hosting. That's a separate talk. But see, this is a website which is like a structure which is already ready. What I'm going to do is, this is empty. You can see this website is empty, nothing here, nothing here, nothing here. Okay, this is all empty. How am I going to create content for this? Okay, because when it comes to website, of course, in order to put together this entire basic structure itself, it is going to take time if you're a newbie. Of course, if you're an expert, this is nothing. But if you're a newbie, you need to know how to put together this entire setup, right? So this, you no need to worry. There is a software where it's a plugin actually. You get this entire theme. With that, you get this entire theme. This everything's done, about, contact, disclosure, privacy policy is so much important in order to drive traffic through Google Ads and everything. You need to have all these things placed already. Of course, it is easy if you know what you're doing, but if you don't know, entire thing comes under that one theme. Okay, so what I've done is, I'm just going to go to the back of this product. See, this is the theme. This is the dashboard of that website. So if you don't know anything about, don't even bother. Okay, I'm just trying to show you how fast you can do it. Of course, that's a separate topic, how to create all this. You don't need to create, that's the best thing. Thing is, if you're a newbie, if you're a beginner, you need to create all this. But with this plugin or with this software which I'm talking about, you just need to upload something. What I did is, I came here, see this plugins, add new plugin. So what I did is, from this side, I went and uploaded this plugin. First thing what I did is all-in-one WP migration. This is what I downloaded, and then I did import. When I press import, I just imported a theme. This theme just overwrites everything, whether it is a new website you have or an old website. When you import this, when you try to import that one of the theme, which is really the main core of the product, you get this website. Okay, you get this website like this. It's ready. It's already ready to go. It's I'm just going to show you how literally fast I'm just going to fill this up now. Okay, that's what I'm trying to show you. See this one. This is the back of this back dashboard of this website, which I didn't do anything. Okay, I just uploaded the theme and everything here. Whatever you see here, Rank Max, YT Evolution, don't bother about what it is. It will take time if I explain everything. But all these are all installed already, inbuilt. Okay, this is the reason why this is a paid software where I bought it. It's through my mentor. But what I'm trying to show you is how easily and fast, as a newbie, a beginner, you can create websites. Okay, so this is the empty website, which is like this, and this is the part of the software which I'll let you know little. Give me some time. End of this video, I'm going to explain that one. But what I'm trying to show is, see this one. First thing, the most important thing, OIT Evolution. This is the product name which I'm talking about actually. But even talking about, let's see what I'm going to do, and then you'll know. See this one, add your channel playlist, add channel playlist, add video here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go here. See this, your channel playlist. Let's see this one. I'm going to come here and just press add new channel playlist, add new. Okay, don't worry, it's so simple. That's the reason I'm just trying to show you. See this, I'm going to search my YouTube channel. Don't worry, even if you don't have YouTube channel, I'll show you another website where I've done in a different way. Okay, see this, I'm going to search. So what happens is that with this YouTube channel, I just searching and it is giving me, see this is me. Okay, so 698 videos and to 1950 subscribers. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to save YouTube channel here. See this. So that means I have saved this channel. So where I can go see this your channel playlist. So what happens is that I'm just going to see this is already saved. So I'm going to go inside this one. See this is all my videos which is already done by me. Okay, so don't think. So what I'm trying to do in this video is I'm trying to get content from my YouTube channel. Okay, this is what I'm trying to do. Don't worry if you don't have YouTube channel, I'll show you another method with this same software as well. But I'm trying to show you, this is like way I'm going to show you in a way to I'm going to grab all this content into my website. Okay, that's what I'm trying to show you. So let me go back to YouTube channel here. I'm going to search something else as well. See this, I'm going to put add new, make money online. Let me show you. Let me show you that another one. I'm going to search by playlist, make money online in Dubai. I'm not sure if it comes up. Let's see if it comes up, because I have a playlist in my YouTube channel which is like perfect. It's there. Okay, so this is exactly one of my top ranking videos are there inside this one. So I'm going to save this YouTube playlist. It's just not my video. You can see this, it gives up all those videos which are all under Dubai. Okay, so I'm just choose mine. Okay, I'm trying to show you because this website I'm going to create my own videos, my channel, my content. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my YouTube channel playlist. I'm going to find my channel. This is the playlist. You can see YouTube playlist. I'm going to choose this one. See what I'm doing literally within few minutes. I'm just see this, there's like 36 videos. I'm going to choose everything, 40 of them I'm going to choose. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to press publish all. Okay, see this button, publish all. So what is happening now is it is literally converting my YouTube channel into my website. Okay, this is what is happening. I'll refresh my website and show you how this is like within few minutes or within few seconds I'm converting my YouTube channel into my website. Okay, so this is exactly what I'm doing now. See this, it is building out. Let me go into my website. I'm just going to refresh this website now. Let's see what comes up. It is built. What you can see this, I have made 3 topics, but I'm adding all my videos into make money online videos. Okay, that's the reason it's you will get populated only on make money online. So this is like literally within few minutes or few seconds you can see all my videos are there uploaded into my website. So it's like I have my content ready within few seconds or few minutes my website is populated. So like for me, in order to upload this website, the theme, it took me like 5-10 minutes, and then I'm just transferring the entire YouTube channel into my YouTube like website. I can say this video website. Okay, so and this few things I'm going to do some changes. So just to make look more neater, see these ones I'm going to do some changes. See this, I'm going to go back to this dashboard. See this, let's just to make it more nicer and stuff. Dashboard, let's see appearance. I'm going to add some logos. These are a few things you have to do in order to make it looks more appearance. See this, customize. I'm going to add few things which will like change the way the website looks. So that's, see these theme settings. See this logo. I did a website logo, or you can just add it like affiliate marketing. Let's say I'm just go and see this desktop. I made some see this I made this, see this affiliate marketing. So I'm just going to add this heading as a logo, so it looks neat. So a few things we make it in order to make it neater and nice. So that's the idea behind this steps. Of course, you can just like that go. What is the point of see this? I added it. So this is going to press publish. So I'm going to go back to this one and refresh this one again. So what happens is that the website looks more professional. See this with the logo, right? So these two things, you can see these empty ones. This is the place where you add your banners in order to promote your affiliate product, because I'm trying to do affiliate marketing, right? So I'm trying to add this one. So what I'm going to do is I've just saved some give me a second, guys. Give me a second. My son is Abdullah. Mohammed, please be quiet. I'm doing video. Okay? Please make sound less. Sorry, guys. Okay. My kids are here playing. Anyway, so I'm just taking this code, which is my code for my affiliate product. I'm going to go back into my dashboard. See this one, widgets. I'm going to go to sidebar. I'm going to see advertisement. You can see this random post. This is the advertisement. This is the sidebar. So I'm going to remove this. Sorry, guys, it just got cut now. So what I was doing is I just added the two codes, which is for my we added the codes for the sidebar here as well as the one on the header. So what I did is I just copied this code on the one of my, this is a code which is from my affiliate network, which is for the GuruFunnels. I just took it and I copied to the sidebar, and then I just took the other one which I added on one on the header, and then I added another one on the sidebar. So these two, what happens is that it made my website look so neat and nice for over here as well as over here. It's like looks more neat and nice, and then one logo. So I did logo and I added these two apart from adding videos. So this is exactly, guys, what I'm trying to show is so powerful, where you can convert literally any videos into your own, like any videos like into your own channel. So Vijay shared, you can see this one. This is completely a new, nothing. This is another website of mine, but none of the videos of mine. Okay, I literally took somebody else's videos, but I'm trying to promote a free product, which is a Quran, which is over here. These two things here, this is a paid one and this is a free one. So I literally copied somebody else's video. Of course, don't worry, you're not doing anything illegal. You are really helping others by embedding their videos. You're helping them, but in turn you're getting your content, and in future you're gonna get like traffic to yours, and then you'll be able to promote this one. There are lots and lots of ways to promote your website. Literally, even with these headlines, there are lots of headlines there where you will get easy traffic from website, from Google, because there are lots of places where this cannot be searched. I mean, people who search, there will be no content on Google, and you have a good chance you're going to get traffic to your website, and then in turn you can promote your product. So this is like completely an example I'm trying to show you, where I did not create from my channel. This is completely a new website, videos from somebody else's channel. Okay, and same like this one, which is personally I'm building for myself, which I have created taking my own videos and converting into my own channel. That's the idea behind it. And you can follow this one, Affiliate Marketing LLC. This is empty. See this is empty because I did not fill this one. I'm going to fill these websites, and then you'll be able to see how I progress with this website, and now I'm going to promote this product here, which is like a free funnel builder. So this is exactly, guys, what I'm trying to show is, as a beginner, as a newbie, you can promote, or you can create your own website and start making money with this, promoting your affiliate products. That's it, guys. That's the idea behind today's product is this YT Evolution, which I showed you here, which is like the main product, which is the YT Evolution as well as YT Curator. You can see this cost you $100. It is not free. Of course, it is going to cost you $100, but as a bonus, what I'm going to do is, if you're going to buy it through my link below, what I'm going to do for you is build a similar website. You can tell me you want a website on health, or you want a website on crypto, or whatever it is, Bitcoin. I can build a similar website, same like this, and give it to you if you're going to buy it through my link. Okay, that's an extra bonus I can do, because I know it's $100, it's a lot of money, but having that extra hedge, having that able to build a website so quick and fast, you can do many things. You can promote your website in so much different ways, through AdSense, through Google Ads, whatever ways you want to promote your product. This website is literally ready. All the most important thing, privacy policy, disclosure, everything will be ready for you to go from the day one. You can start running ads, even organically. Everything can be done having your own website, guys. That's the idea behind today's video, where you can try this new software which is called YT Evolution. If you're going to buy through my link, comment below. I will help you to build this website for you in any niche, and then you will be able to go like within 1 day or maximum 2 days, like you will be able to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey having your own website. That's it, guys. That's all about today's video, how to create your own website quicker and faster way in order to make money online. If this is your first time watching, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified whenever I do videos like this. Thanks a lot for your time. See you in the next one. Bye.